Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add a custom background image in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by opening Chrome on your computer. Step 2. At the bottom right of a new tab page, click on Customize Chrome. Alternatively, you can go to the top right, select Side Panel, and then choose Customize Chrome. Step 3. Under the Appearance section, select Change Theme. Step 4. Now, you have two options. You can choose a theme from the gallery. Or, if you want to use your own image, select Upload an Image. To reset the theme back to default, simply select Reset to Default Chrome at the bottom of the panel. Pro tip: if you want to change your background daily, click on a collection and turn on the Refresh Daily option. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily customize your Chrome browser with the personal background image. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.